Hello, I've just received this in the post. Let's open it up and take a look inside. So inside we have these heavy duty gel knee pads. Let's have a look, see what's included. So inside the box we've got a product specification booklet and instruction manual, and we've also got a warranty card. And then we have the knee pads themselves, and the first thing you'll notice is the quality of the product. They are built to last. They have heavy duty nylon thread along with neoprene and have double stitching all the way around to offer resistance against ripping and tearing. They have an upgraded soft gel core and a high density foam cushion which can support your knees all day long with 100% comfort. The thick gel layer lets your knee float, relieving the pressure when you kneel on hard surfaces like concrete or uneven surfaces like in the garden. These protective heavy duty pads are hard on the outside but they're soft on the inside. The protective cap is made of durable PVC and it's going to keep things like gravel and debris away from your knees. You can adjust the height and tightness with the adjustable straps and clips, and all of the straps are completely adjustable, so these are going to fit most adults. Once you've set the straps to fit your leg, it's really easy to put these on and take them off using the quick release clips on the side. They're water resistant and non-slip, so they're going to protect your knees in all circumstances. They're ideal for working on concrete, hard floors, construction work, flooring and carpet installations, gardening and much more. So they are the heavy duty knee pads from AMPAS.